Hi everyone, how are you? Guess what? We're gonna do one more candy cane wreath at the request of my sister. She wants a blue and silver one. So we're gonna do a blue and silver one today. So I got my wreath. I still have a whole bunch of my chunky yarn left, plus another one. Plus I have two more colors. I picked out this really pretty blue and silver ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I did pick out 3 different ones. This is the one I'm going to put on the cane, but I did 2 others in the bow. And then I picked out a whole bunch of goodness to decorate it with. Not sure if I'm going to use this or not, but I'm going to use some of this stuff. I was at Hobby Lobby today and I was going crazy in there. It's just unbelievable, all the great stuff that they have. I'm so excited. Oh, and I might use this too. This is just a little silver and blue ornament that I found at Dollar Tree. So I might use that. I have to see how it goes. Okay. Got my Ryobi working, so I think it's ready. The last time, remember, it took forever for the glue gun to start. Okay, I'm going to measure. God, this is really pretty. Really pretty ribbon. I'm going to measure my ribbon. See how long we need it. Oops. There we go. Let's do just about there. I want to be pretty accurate. This ribbon is too pretty to waste. Great. Let's turn it upside down along with our wreath form. Let's do it this way. All right, you better be ready this time, glue gun. It is. It's ready. Okay, get the chunky yarn out of the way. All right, so I'm gluing the end. I'm gonna get my little rubber finger. Now it was the right finger. Okay. And then I'm gonna flip it. God, this is so pretty. Take your chunky yarn. I'm gonna unravel a bit of it. I had to keep unraveling sections of it last time. All right, let's start on the end. Let's start gluing the ribbon, the chunky yarn. Remember, we left a little bit extra for the other side. Okay, let's flip it. Let's get this side. Put some on the wire itself. Fold that in. Hold it down. Okay, that looks good. All right, now let's flip it back. All right, let's start wrapping. So that's 1, 2. Remember, flip it up. Get that out of the way. Do 4 underneath. I'm excited with this one. This is so pretty. I don't know, Lori. You might not be getting this one. I might be keeping this one for myself. Okay, let's do the 4. Now, a couple of you posted the ones that you have done. They're coming out really nice, guys. And then the next one I'm going to do is the Santa hat. So I was lucky enough to find a Dollar Tree that still has the hats. Those were the hats for the wire form that I made, or everybody was making the witch's hat. I'm going to do a Santa hat with it. That's going to be next. I bought all the stuff for that today too. That'll be cool. And I have a little white Christmas tree project I'm going to do. Actually, 2 little Christmas tree projects. I think the other one I think I posted that what I saw with the dowel, and then you take the jute, the thicker jute, and you cut it into strips and you feed it through the dowel. It looked pretty cool. We're going to do that one too. 4. So this ribbon is actually wire. The other one I used last time was not. It really doesn't make that much of a difference. I'm going to put, just want to make sure that you don't see any. You can put little dabs of glue. Whoops, I got my finger. In between. Let's flip this one up. It goes pretty quick, right? This one down. Now I think we're going to have to make the turn. Yeah, maybe after the next one. Let's see. I think we're okay with this one. Then the next one we're going to have to fold it a little bit. Yeah. Okay, let's flip this. Make sure it's tight. I think I'm gonna have to fold that piece in just a little bit there. Let's see, I might have to fold it a little bit here. Where'd my finger go? My little rubber finger. Did I drop it? Oh, here it is. My little rubber finger. All right, I'm going to get some up here too. I'm going to pinch it just a little bit. continue. This will go over the little crease. Put a little bit of glue on here and push these two together. Do the same on this one. And push these two together. Okay. Flip it up. Going to need to be folded a little bit more. You can just stick it in underneath the top pieces a little bit too. This is going to be neat. Right there. Dab of glue. As we're turning this corner. This is pretty. It was a good idea. I like these colors. Push some of that down in here. So this is the second one, the third one I've made with this roll. So I'm thinking you can do it probably 4. But some of the rolls, they do come in different sizes. I think the other one that I have is actually a little bit bigger than this one. And then let's get the last 2 on top. Leave a little extra. Take some glue. Let's glue this down. My little finger. And just need to get it in here. Snip this little piece off. All right, let's see if it needs any fixing. Looks pretty good. I think that's good. Oh, let's get some over here. Okay. There's the blue and the silver. What do you think? Isn't that pretty? I love those colors. That is gorgeous. A little bit of glue. Okay, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to decorate this and then I will post it. Okay? See what the finished project looked like. Because you know me, it's going to take me a while to figure out exactly how this is going to go. And here's the bow I made. Not beautiful. This is like a mesh with the silver around the edges, and this to match here, and this is just a blue, almost like a polka dot in there. And that's going to be the bow. Is that pretty? Can't wait to finish it and show you guys. All right, I'll let you go and I'll post it in a little bit. Thanks.